Is the drip on Tiana Taylor going to be the drip on Shanette Carleo and the subscribers? Hi guys, welcome back to CCTV. Thank you for joining us back again, and today we're doing another try on haul with Pretty Little Thing and their collab with Tiana Taylor and the designer KARL Kani. If you've been with me from a long time ago, you know that I'm very much into like 90s clothing, 90s wear, 90s style, girl. So this, when I saw this collection, I was like, what? This designer, he kind of birthed his collection in 1989. I do believe that KARL Kani is from the Bronx, New York. This collection really went hot in the 90s because a lot of rappers were wearing KARL Kani, rappers like Jay-Z, Notorious B.I.G. But yeah, I bought some stuff. I've got it right here, and so I want to just get into it and show you it real quickly. Please, if you are new and you're just stopping by the channel, then please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, and also if you're subscribed already, hit the notification bell so you know as soon as my videos pop up. Follow me on socials and let's get into the video, girl. Yes. So the first piece I got was the KARL Kani multi-stripe unitard, and this is in a size 10. It was £18, which I think is good for the price. Now let me tell you about this. When I first went on the site to order this, it had completely sold out straight away. Every single size was gone, and I was a bit pissed off because I love myself a good unitard, a good jumpsuit, a good play suit. Like, those are my thing. So I was mad. Plus it had like more of the original style print on it, the colors. So I was mad. So I had done my whole order, and then what had happened was I went on the following morning, early in the morning, and they were back in stock. So I got a size 10. So this is it, and this is my first piece I'm trying, but it's my favorite piece. I feel like a candy bar. I love the way it fits. Now this has a very, very low back, so because of that, you're not able to wear a bra. I will say the material is stretchy, but it still feels a bit tight. Like the crotch area, I literally had to pull it up underneath me, otherwise it would have looked like, you know, like tights that don't fit. It would have looked like that. It managed to get up on me, and I do kind of like it tight for the simple fact that I can't wear a bra, and my breasts are very, like, my breasts are quite heavy and they're big. So if I can't wear a bra with something, I need that item to give me enough hold in my breast area, and I feel like this does that. You're gonna have a bit of breast on show with this item. It's just one of those items. So it doesn't matter if you've got big or small breasts, you're gonna have them on show because it V curves towards the chest. But if you do have bigger chests like myself, you can wear this. It's just that you probably are going to need to get a size that is maybe one down and hope that you can stretch in it in order for it to hold your breast, if you know what I mean. But I really love this. I love the KARL Kani logo across the front. I can see myself wearing this somewhere this summer, to a festival somewhere, to, I don't know, anywhere, like to a park event, to a concert. On a hot day, I can see this. Like, I think I definitely like this piece. I know it's a bit loud and out there, but this is what the collection is about. But at the same time, I still think it's wearable. Like, I can wear this with flats, I can wear this with heels if I want to dress it up. It's playful, and I know a lot of people are saying they don't really like this kind of bold print from KARL Kani, but I love this. I absolutely love this piece. What do you guys think? Comment below and let me know. But let's go to the next piece. So guys, next up I got the KARL Kani crop top t-shirt, which actually matches the unitard. But if you remember, as I said, when I originally ordered, this was out of stock, and this literally was the only other thing in this style, this stripe style, that they had that was available. And it's actually a size 18, and I just got it because I literally wanted to have something in this candy stripe style. But I actually really love it. I love it oversized, I love it baggy, and I even think with this it's cute. Like, I thought, like, okay, maybe wearing this separate with a different bottoms might be the way to go, but I actually like it with the jumpsuit. I think it's like quite cute together. I don't think it's too much. I think it's really cute. I like the fact that it's, you know, kind of big and oversized, because it's like in the summer days, because this is quite, you know, out there, and it's thin strapped and it's got a low back. I feel like if you're out in the evening time and it starts to get a bit breezy, you can just throw this top over and you still got the same kind of swag going on, and you still got kind of like cool breeze that can go up underneath the top, especially because it's so baggy. And I just kind of like that it's kind of like baggy, because it's just that kind of 90s hip-hop style feel. And I'm glad I got the both of them. I feel like it was fake. £15. The Unitard was £18, so I feel like this is £3 less. I feel like it could have been like £10, £12. Okay, £15 I guess is okay. I guess it's okay. I mean, it's decent quality. It's not like that kind of cheap material that when you wash it, it feels like it's just gonna go all hard. And also, it's got the KARL KANI embroidered. Like, this is not printed on. This is actually embroidery stitched. So I think it's good for the price. I think it's really cool. I really do love this whole set. I hope you guys can see the full outfit, but I really love it. Comment below and let me know, girl. Let me know what you're thinking about this. But right now, I am feeling like even carnival. I'm feeling ready for carnival in this. I don't need to play maths. I don't need an outfit. Why do I need an outfit? I've got my carnival outfit here. I'm repping every country. Every colour is on me right now.
Okay, okay. Woman up, sometime I'm behind me.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go carnival. Let's go Notting Hill. Let's go. Okay, so the next piece I got was the KARL KANI black embroidery t-shirt dress. And this comes down to just above the knees. You can't see it, but it stops just above the knees. So it's literally like a big t-shirt. I got this in a size 12. And I probably could have got a 10 because it's really, really oversized. But at the same time, as I said, I like oversized garments. Like, I'm not really... I feel like, unless it's material that is supposed to snatch you in, I don't really mind if it's a bit baggy. And like a t-shirt is supposed to be, as a t-shirt dress, kind of baggy and cool. So it just has the KARL KANI logo right here over it. And I think this would be really cool with like a cute belt or maybe like a bum bag on it. In fact, I have a really nice one that would go with this. To just kind of snatch it in, to give yourself a little bit more shape if that's what you wanted to. It was £18. £18, £18, £18. I feel like it could have been £15 or £12. It's just a t-shirt, girl. Like, it's just a t-shirt. Basically, it's a black t-shirt with KARL KANI on the front of it. Considering it's pretty little thing, you know, it could have been £15. But I guess because it's part of the KARL KANI range, which is at the end of the day is a legendary designer, it's gonna cost that little bit more. And I think it's cool. Like, I think it's one of those pieces that are like statement pieces at the same time. But I just know that it's a t-shirt that's probably come from China somewhere for like maybe £2, and you know, you stitched it for like £5, and I'm giving you like a whole extra £10 on it. That's a huge profit. But again, it's good t-shirt material. It's not that cheap stuff. It really ain't. It feels good material, and it doesn't feel like it's gonna go mad in one wash. So I like this, guys. I like this. Listen, I can't keep buying stuff and liking all of it, because if I keep it 100, I really just buy these clothes to show you and hope that I don't like none of them, so I can send them all back and save my coin. But everything I'm buying lately, I'm keeping. I'm liking this. I don't think I'm sending this back. So I can see myself being very broke this summer. No, this is not a good look. So along with the KARL KANI t-shirt dress, I also got the cap to match. This was £10. I think that's worth it, £10 for a cap, right? And I'm hoping it will go over my head. Not because my head's big, guys, but because I am wearing weave. And you know, when we have our bundles in, it makes the head, in terms of putting into a cap, it makes it harder. It should be okay though, because it has this strap right here, which is basically the kind of pull-in strap. So, you know, you can just adjust it to your head size. So let's go ahead and see how this goes. Let me come forward and show you a bit more. This is how the hat looks on me. It's a comfortable fit. It does fit underneath my head, and I haven't had to adjust it, but it is near the end, if you want to see the back right here. So it's just near the end, but yeah, it's very comfortable on my head. It's not squeezing. It has that kind of bent peak kind of cap style, so it's really like cool for girls. I feel like an American right now. I feel like Tiana Taylor, just without the body. This is a keeper. This is a keeper. I like this. In fact, I have the perfect place to wear this. I might just wear this to the Jay-Z concert that is coming up next month, because this is like a real like Jay-Z and Beyonce kind of get up. You have to get this outfit together. Look at this. Dope. So I think this is a keeper for me. This is another one. This is more of my coins gone, girls. What do you think? Comment below. Okay guys, so you know I love me a good orange dress. This is the KARL KANI embroidery dress, and this costs £18. It's in a size 10 and it feels like a size 8, girl. It's super tight. It's a bodycon dress, but it's still cute. I still like it. I love this whole, like, look at this dress. £18. £18. This dress is banging. They had it in a colour black as well, but because of like a lot of my other items were black, I decided to go and get the orange, and I'm glad I did. Again, I'm not wearing any bra at the moment, but I still feel very secure just because it's so tight. Like the dress is so tight, so it's holding me in. But yeah, this is such a cute dress, like for the summer. The back scoops, it snatches you in. It's very sporty and cool and 90s and cute, and it has like a summer vibe of why is everything so good in this collection? Why is it like this? Why is it like this? I don't have these coins to be rinsing. I like this dress. I like this dress. Like the way they've outlined the logo right here, like that just makes it stand out so much. It's so cute. No, this dress. Somebody tell me this dress is, if you say this dress ain't cute, you're a hater. Stop being a hater. If you're looking at me right now and trying to tell me this dress ain't cute, or me, this orange ain't looking bright on my melanin skin, you are a hater. Kill yourself. If you like this dress or you rate this dress, please comment below, like the video. But this is not going back. We're gonna have to start getting serious with the next couple of items, guys, because something has to go back. Like, my bank account is gonna be suffering. I can't do this. Lord of mercy. Oh gosh. Please, I'm gonna need someone to go and get these designers in Pretty Little Thing to relax. I'm gonna need them to relax. Now I have on the KARL KANI Bodycon skirt. I got that in a size 12 and it was actually £12. It's a little bit big. There's a lot more stretch in this to go, so I probably could have got a 10, but it's cool. It's not like I can't wear it at all. And then I got this crop top, this black crop top. It was £22, and I got this in a size 12 as well. Guys, I love this whole thing. What am I going to do? What am I gonna do? Now, what am I actually gonna do? I didn't budget for all of this. This I might have to wear to the Jay-Z concert. I'm feeling like a whole Beyonce. Nobody's gonna tell me nothing.
Hold up, they don't love you like I love you. Slow down.
This is so dope. I feel like I'm on the US football team. I'm just feeling, I don't feel English. How about that? And that's actually how I'm trying to feel all summer. I'm trying to feel like I'm American. I'm trying to feel like I'm from New York, I'm from the Bronx with my swag this summer. That's what I'm trying to do. Levels. And that's how I feel. That's how Pretty Little Thing have got me feeling with this collection. £22. I was going to say, you know, I didn't think this was worth £22. But I can't say that. Look at it. How can I say that? Look at the top. Where do you see this top? Where else do you see this top? And it's KARL KANI. No, £22. Yes, I will pay £22 for this. This top is so dope. This top is the one I actually wanted to send back, because out of all the items I felt like it was the most overpriced, just for being like half of a top basically. It actually cost more than any of the items I've shown you individually so far. So I was like, yeah, this is a bit, but I put it on with the skirt. You don't even need this skirt. You can wear it with leggings, you can wear it with jeans, you can wear it with whatever. This can't go back. And then I love the KARL KANI skirt. I just do. I like the little rim. It's black. I can wear it with other stuff. I just feel like £12. How can I even send it back for £12? I can't, girls. I just feel like this is another keeper. This is another keeper. So at this point, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna do because there's only one more item. So let's see. Okay, so the last item I got was this KARL KANI cropped denim black jacket, and it cost £35, and I got it in a size 14 because I wanted it to be like really oversized. It is basically just a jeans jacket with the embroidery stitch of the KARL KANI on the back, but it is black, and I do like kind of need a black crop jacket anyway. I feel like £35 is a bit overpriced for a cropped jeans jacket. I feel like it could have been £25. So I hope when I put this on, I don't fall in love with it, because at this point something needs to go back. Guys, why is it from the front I'm like, okay, it's just a black jacket, it can go back. But then when I turn around, I'm like, this is so dope. The KARL KANI logo on the back, like that's so cute. With my skirt, I'm just like, Why am I feeling like I want to keep this jacket? It's just a black crop jacket. It's just a black crop jacket, Chanel. What are you doing? I'm getting stressed. I'm actually getting stressed. This whole collection is actually, I'm drinking. I'm stressed out. Why is it so dope? Why is the jacket so dope? What? Oh, I don't even want to turn around. Guys, I can't lie. KARL KANI. The jacket is a bit wavy. I don't know. It's a bit wavy. It's wavy. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Oh my god. Am I keeping every single thing that I just bought? Tiana Taylor. Pretty little thing. You really did the damn thing on this one. Hello, hi, hello. So Pretty Little Thing is out here trying to make people bankrupt. I see what's going on. Listen, out of all the items I ordered, there's not one I'll be sending back. And I did expect to be sending some back. So now I have to calculate my finances for the next week. Bruh. Because the collection is that dope. If 90s style wear and kind of hip hop style, street style is your thing, you're gonna like this collection. The quality of the clothing, all good. The cuts of the clothing, all good. The 90s style and theme and the revamp of KARL Kani's kind of style within this new kind of street style, all there. How it fits on your body, all cool. What is a girl supposed to do? I'm giving this collection, like really, for the whole marketing scheme, the whole PR scheme of it, to take a designer that technically kind of has gone out of trend and be able to bring it back into trend so poignantly, so on the mark, and rebrand it, the rebranding of this situation, making it affordable to people. I'm gonna have to give this is like a 9. This is high, this is like a 9. This collaboration is like a 9, Pretty Little Thing. What do you think of the collection? How about you just comment below and let me know, because I have no more words. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, please like this video, hit the subscribe button as I said before, and the notification bell to keep up with me. Hold on, wait. Thank you so much as well. We have hit 3,000 subscribers. So thank you so much, and yeah, I'll probably talk about that more in my next video, but I just want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed to me, everybody that actually clicked on my video once they subscribe, because some people subscribe and then I don't know what happens to you afterwards. But the people that subscribe, hit the notification bell, come back, leave me comments, you know, get at me outside of YouTube. Thank you so much. You guys mean the world to me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So I should have a video up tomorrow on Sunday, so make sure you stay tuned for that. We'll be doing a topical Sunday, girl. We need to talk. We haven't spoken in a while. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and stick around for that. I love you lot. You done know already. It's your girl signing out. Mwah.